In this video, you'll find out how awesome the Carnival Sunshine is. We'll tell you about the amazing, delicious food on board. Then we'll introduce you to some of the greatest bars on the ship. Then we'll go through some of our favorite activities, and we'll even mention a couple awesome tips to help you out. Stay tuned, you'll find out how you can get your digital download of our Carnival Sunshine Ship Guide. Let's talk about the food. Let's start with Gigi Asian Kitchen, the very unique Pan-Asian restaurant that's only found on a few Carnival ships, but Carnival Sunshine has it. Gigi Asian Kitchen has the most amazing Asian food, from the traditional Kung Pao chicken to creative entrees, things you won't find anywhere else. And, of course, can't forget the delicious desserts. If you want to see our full review of Gigi Asian Kitchen, be sure to click the link in the description below. Cucina del Capitano. Cucina del Capitano has incredible pasta and amazing garlic bread. Starting off your meal with this garlic bread, you'll probably be happy to just eat that. But there's more. There's great pasta, great entrees, and delicious desserts. Amazing service and food at Cucina del Capitano. Of course, we got to mention some of the complimentary options, including Guy's Burger Joint, the essential Carnival Cruise delicious treat. Burgers, a great menu of awesome burgers with their delicious fries. They even have a toppings bar. You can go and make your burger just your own. Blue Iguana Cantina is your place if you prefer burritos. You can go there at breakfast time for a breakfast burrito, or go there for lunch and get a burrito or a taco made just the way you want it. The flour tortillas are made right on the ship, and they are fresh, delicious, and made just for you. Another great option, of course, is the Steakhouse Fahrenheit 555. It's going to cost you a little extra because it's a specialty restaurant, but the ribeyes are to die for. Pizzeria del Capitano is another option, and it's complimentary. Anytime, day or night, made-to-order pizzas, fresh and delicious just for you. Bonsai Sushi. They've got a sushi bar in this quaint little restaurant where you can have a seat and enjoy delicious appetizers, sushi at a la carte prices, and all kinds of delicious Asian options. The sushi chefs and servers will take great care of you at Bonsai Sushi. Now let's move on and talk about the bars. But first, I'll ask if you could just give us a thumbs up, click the thumbs up below to like, let us know you're enjoying this video, and that'll really help us out. Now let's talk about the bars. Starting with the newer concept on Carnival, the Alchemy Bar. The mixologists will pour you a craft cocktail from their unique menu, or if you prefer, let them know what you like, and they'll whip up a custom cocktail just for you. Head out to the pool to Red Frog Rum Bar or Blue Iguana Tequila Bar, both out there by the main pool. Great places to go and get a drink and enjoy the sun, have a nice conversation out by the pool. If you prefer a sports bar, you're in luck. Carnival Sunshine has Skybox Sports Bar, a great place to go and watch a game, hang out and have a few beers. Skybox Sports Bar, one of my favorite places. Another spot is the Atrium Bar. The beautiful atrium on the Carnival Sunshine is a great hub of activity during the evening, entertainment and fun, and during the daytime, it's a nice, relaxed, laid-back spot. And one more bar I gotta mention is the Red Frog Pub. The Red Frog Pub is an actual pub on the ship. You can go in there, pull up a stool at the bar, get a special cocktail or a beer. There's games. In the evening, there's even live music. It's a pub, just like you have back home, but it's on the ship. Great bars on the ship. Love it. Now let's talk about some of the activities. Well, we've been mentioning a lot of adult fun with the bars. Let's talk about some kid stuff, like the Build-A-Bear Workshop. If you're familiar with Build-A-Bear Workshop back home, they've got this on the ship. It's a Build-A-Bear Workshop at sea. Go there and design your own bear, customize it the way you like it, and take it home as an awesome souvenir. Also for the kids, there's the kids clubs. Great fun spots for the kids. while you're out doing things that, yeah, they probably wouldn't enjoy as much. Of course, there's also Carnival Waterworks, a water park on a cruise ship. Enjoy the water slides whether you're a kid or a kid at heart. The Carnival Waterworks is a great spot to have fun in the sun. And after you're done, you can go get another guy's burger. For something a little different, another activity you can enjoy outside, there's mini golf. See who can get a hole-in-one. Enjoy the fun, festive environment of the mini golf course and the fresh air while you're out at sea. If you're looking for something more relaxing and laid back, head to the Serenity Adults Only Retreat. It's a spot just for the 18 and older crowd. Sit out in the sun, enjoy the view. In the evening, Playlist Productions has awesome entertainment, musical shows, dancing, great entertainment. You'll want to check that out. Also, if you want to have a few laughs, head to the Punchliner Comedy Club. Punchliner Comedy Club has great entertainers. The early show that's more family friendly, and the later show that's a little more PG-13. Punchliner Comedy Club, definitely a place you don't want to miss. One last spot I'll mention that's sort of an activity is Cherry on Top, Carnival's special candy shop you can find on board. Get some unique candy and treats you can't find at home. Maybe get yourself a jar of chocolate chip cookies and take them back to your cabin. That's a great spot to do some shopping. And now for a couple of tips. Be sure to download the Carnival Hub app. The Carnival Hub app will tell you when things are happening on board and give you information and help you plan out your day. Carnival Hub app, you can download it before you're on board, and once you're on board, it comes to life. Tip number 2, use that Carnival Hub app to find the Make It With Michaels workshop. The Make It With Michaels workshop is sponsored by the Michaels Craft Shops back here on land, but they actually bring you the supplies to make a unique craft item that you can do while you're having a sea day, and you can bring your completed craft home as a souvenir. Tip 3, we're going to give you a bonus tip. I know I mentioned it before, but don't miss out on the complimentary food on the ship. From the breakfast burritos at Blue Iguana, to the guys' burgers at lunchtime, and the pizza at Pizzeria del Capitano. There's so many free food items that you can get in addition to the main dining room and the buffet. Don't miss out on our exclusive Carnival Sunshine ship guide. It's a digital download that tells you what's on board, where to find things, what costs extra, and we're even throwing in a bar crawl guide for the Carnival Sunshine. Both of these digital downloads can be found through the link in the description below. We hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to join us when we go live Monday nights at 8 o'clock. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future guides, future interviews, and great cruise information. Thanks for watching.